If you're a business owner, you know the feeling. The word accounting probably makes you think of piles of receipts, late nights with spreadsheets, a total headache, right? But what if I told you that's the old way of thinking? What if a modern accounting firm could be one of your most powerful partners in actually growing your business? Okay, let's dive in and see what that really looks like. So here's our game plan. We're gonna start in the financial maze where so many of us get lost. Then we'll talk about finding the right financial partner. We'll look at how they build a solid foundation, help you conquer the tax code, and really fuel your business growth. Stick around and you'll see why there's so much more than just number crunchers. Let's be real for a second. Most business owners know this feeling all too well, just being totally overwhelmed. You're trying to innovate, serve your customers, and lead your team, but you keep getting bogged down by the numbers. Does this look even a little bit familiar? That chaotic pile of paper, that nagging feeling in the back of your mind that you're missing something important? You are definitely not alone. Look, managing your money is absolutely critical, but man, it can feel like you're trying to find your way out of a maze with the lights off. It's just a constant juggling act, isn't it? You've got receipts over here, deadlines popping up over there, and this whole tangled web of tax laws and compliance rules that seem to change every 5 minutes. And through it all, you're supposed to keep a perfect pulse on your cash flow. It's a lot. And frankly, it pulls you away from what you're actually supposed to be doing, running your business. So what's the answer? Well, this is where the modern CPA firm, a chartered professional accountant, steps in. And I want you to erase the image of some dusty old tax preparer you see once a year. Think of them instead as a year-round, go-to strategic advisor. And that right there is the big shift in thinking. A modern firm isn't just about keeping you compliant and out of trouble. No, they are dedicated to actively making your business better, enhancing your processes, and maximizing your financial outcomes. They're using their expertise to give you advice that actually moves the needle. Okay, so before you can even think about building that skyscraper of a business you're dreaming of, you need a rock-solid foundation. A great accounting partner starts right there, bringing some much-needed order and clarity to your finances. And it really comes down to these 3 pillars. First, accurate, always up-to-date bookkeeping. You need to know your numbers, period. Second, payroll that just works, because trying to manage that on your own is a guaranteed headache. And third, clear, easy-to-understand financial statements. These aren't just boring reports, they are your roadmap for making smart decisions. Now here's the key, handing these tasks over to an expert isn't about giving up control. It is a massive strategic move. You often save money, you get way more accuracy, and you have an expert on speed dial whenever you need advice. All of that frees you up to put your energy where it matters most, on your business. All right, let's talk about everybody's favorite subject, taxes. This is one of those areas where a true financial partner doesn't just save you from trouble, they can actually find and create serious value for your company. And it's a full court press. On the personal side, they're hunting down every last credit and deduction you're entitled to. For the business, it's all about smart corporate tax planning, not just paying less, but structuring things in a way that helps you grow. And then there's the really cool part, digging up specialized tax credits that can unlock a ton of hidden value. Take the SR&ED tax credit, for instance. This is this amazing government program for any Canadian business doing research and development. The thing is, it's notoriously complicated. The paperwork is intense and the rules are strict. Having a firm that knows the ins and outs of SR&ED can be the difference between leaving money on the table and getting back a really significant tax credit. So once that foundation is solid and your taxes are optimized, you can finally shift your focus from looking in the rearview mirror to looking at the road ahead. This is where we get into the forward-looking advice that can really put the pedal to the metal on your growth. And a huge part of this is just using modern tools. I mean, look at this comparison. It's night and day. Traditional bookkeeping is always playing catch-up. Cloud accounting, on the other hand, is proactive. Having real-time access to your financial data anytime, anywhere, that is an absolute game changer for making fast, smart decisions. And the advice goes so much deeper. Are you just starting out? They can help you incorporate the right way from day one. Trying to plan for next year? They'll help you build financial forecasts and budgets that are actually useful. They can even help you navigate the tricky world of government grants to find funding to grow your business. Now, I know this all sounds good in theory, right? But what does it actually feel like for a business owner? The real proof is always in the results and in the words of people who've been there. Hey, remember that financial maze we talked about? Well, here's Sarah, an entrepreneur. She says her finances used to be completely overwhelming, but with personalized help, everything got easier, and she could finally focus on her business, knowing the numbers were being handled by experts. And then there's John. He's talking about the power of those modern tools we just saw. He said cloud accounting streamlined his entire operation and gave him those real-time insights. But listen to that last part. Truly a partner in our success. That says it all. That is the new relationship. So I'll leave you with this one question to chew on. Think about your own financial setup right now. Is the person you work with just keeping score? Just telling you what happened last quarter? Or are they on the field with you, helping you call the plays that will actually help you win the game? Because the right partner does so much more than keep score. They help you write the playbook,